Hey guys, so I want to show you guys my cats because they're so cute. So this is Monty right here. Monty, say hi. Hi, I'm Monty. My brother's a little bit crazy, as you guys know, and I'm gonna show you my brother because he's slay. Oh, hi, Monty. Boop, boop. Where's your brother? Where's Sebastian at? Mom, you want to say hi? Sebastian. Sebastian. Monty, can you help me out? I bet you went upstairs. So, Sebastian likes to blend in. I don't know why, but he does. So, you get another Monty. The cuteness never ends. Right, Monty? That's right, I'm so cute. No one can resist this cute face. That wasn't her talking, by the way. You don't have to be concerned. Maybe Sebastian went in my room. Sebastian! Alright, I don't know where Sebastian is, but we're gonna find him.
Not on the camera, right?
As you can see, I'm in my pajamas already. Because I thought ahead. So. Monty, do you have any idea where Sebastian is? I don't know. My brother keeps on asking me, Devin keeps on asking me if I know where Sebastian is, but I honestly don't know. Tell him to stop. Alright, I'm gonna go look for him. I'll be right back. I found him. Baby. This is Sebastian.
Can you find out what Benjamin's doing now? If you would have him come out here, please. And also,
He's so
Ben,
cute.
could you please eat dinner and then deal with the food?
Yes, I'm just in a bunch of different directions.
I
Also,
know.
with the food first, I could do that.
Hi.
Okay, we can figure
I'm
it out.
Sebastian. I'm Monty's older brother,
How is it going?
So cold.
cat brother.
Why don't you, there,
Would
I
you be
put
able to-
blankets in that
I
oven.
want to get down.
There are a bunch of
Here?
them.
Okay.
I just hold it up with them.
What? Okay.
Sebastian,
Thank
it's
you.
okay.
Just be careful you don't hurt yourself on the wooden slab that's sort of poking out.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
I forgot about it too.
Who's the best boy? You're the best boy.
Okay, Devin, I think you need to start settling it down a little bit, please.
Alright, that's my cats. One bye for Monty. Bye, guys. Sebastian, want to say bye? Bye, guys. Bye, guys. See ya.